Back at the Death Star control panel. First thing I did was I removed the old plastic servo. It was noisy and it stuttered, but I also put a cap in to stabilize the power on the 5-volt rail for the servo. The servo still functions like it did, but it's quieter and smoother. And I was gonna use this screen here, but I could not get the driver to work with the Pico, but this will work with Arduino. So the difference is this is an OLED and the one I have now is a LCD. So what happens now is I use the shell to tell me what's going left and right with the jog, and the dial here, when I spin it, it would tell me incrementally clockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise. So now to test the screen out and to test the things done, I have it doing a visual on the screen, so now we can actually see how it moves. Right? So, and then when this is moving back and forth, then we'll have automatic controls too, which will control the servo like that. But then now you can see how each little thing with the neat little visual here, the screen's going to be displaying graphics. This is just me testing everything. So this screen's going to be like a menu where you select what you want to do, and we're going to add a second screen that will display images and rotate through scanning, like when the Death Star, when the thing is scanning, it's going to be going back and forth and then doing it on its own and displaying stuff on the screens too. So stay tuned, because next we're going to do the second screen, incorporate that, and get an actual, I would guess you would say, UX going on this thing. UI and UX designed to control the panel and make it really fun. See you next time.